Our last video, we started with the S block elements. We studied about the general atomic properties of S block elements. That means we studied about atomic radii, ionization enthalpy, hydration enthalpy, as well as electronic configuration. In our last class, we studied among the alkali metals, lithium possesses high hydration enthalpy. Hence, lithium is the only element form hydrated salt. Now we are going to start with the physical properties of alkali metals. All the alkali metals are silvery white, soft and light metals. What about the color? Silvery white in color. And they are very soft as well as light in weight. They are very soft. We can cut it even with a knife also. Because of the large size, the elements of group 1 are low density metals. The density increases on moving down the group. Next, about the melting and boiling point of alkali metals. Melting and boiling point of alkali metals are low. This indicates the weak metallic bonding present in alkali metals. Alkali metals and their salt, when heated in flame, they impart characteristic color to the flame. This is because we know the alkali metals having only one electrons in their outermost orbital. This electron get energy from the light and excited to higher energy level. The electron which get excited, when it come back to ground state, they emit the radiation in visible region as light. Thus, alkali metals can be detected by flame test and can also be determined by flame photometry or adsorption atomic spectroscopic method. The various color emitted by alkali metals during flame test are as follows. Because of this property, cesium and potassium are used as an electrode in photoelectric cell. Alkali metals are highly reactive due to their large atomic size and low ionization enthalpy. Anyway, the reactivity of these metals increases down the group with the increase in atomic number and atomic size. Reaction with oxygen. Alkali metals burn vigorously with oxygen, forming their oxides. Lithium form monooxide, sodium form peroxides, whereas the rest of the members are formed superoxides. Take a piece of alkali metal, for example sodium, cut its one edge. The cut area become shining. This property is called lustrous property. Now, the area which we cut immediately react to the atmospheric air. That means it undergo aerial oxidation and oxide film formed on the surface because of this aerial oxidation, and the surface become dim. This property is called tarnishing. That means all alkali metal tarnishes in dry air. All alkali metals react with water to form corresponding hydroxide and hydrogen gas. But lithium, due to its small size and high hydration enthalpy, it reacts less vigorously with water, whereas rest of the members of these alkali metals react vigorously with water. All alkali metals react with hydrogen, form corresponding hydrides. These hydrides are ionic solid with a high melting point. Alkali metals react readily with halogen to form ionic halide, whereas the halides of lithium are slightly covalent in nature because of its small size and high polarization ability. Since alkali metals contain only one valence electron and they have the tendency to lose that valence electron readily, because of that that means alkali metals undergo oxidation. That means it makes the other substance to reduced. Therefore, all alkali metal act as a powerful reducing agent. Due to its high hydration enthalpy, lithium acts as a powerful reducing agent. Uses of alkali metals. Lithium metal is used to make useful alloys. For example, lead, it is used to make white metal, which is used for making bearings of motor engine. With aluminum, lithium is used to make aircraft parts. With magnesium, it is used to make armor plates. It is also used in thermonuclear reactors. Lithium is also used to make electrochemical cells. Lithium is used to make sodium lead alloy, which is used to make tetraethylene lead and tetramethylene lead. These are actually organolead compound which were earlier used as a anti-knock additives in petrol. Liquid sodium metal is used to make as a coolant in fast breeder nuclear reactors. Now the uses of potassium. Potassium has a vital role in biological system. Potassium chloride is used as a fertilizer. Potassium hydroxide is used in the manufacturing of soap. It is used as an excellent adsorbent of carbon dioxide. Cesium is used in devising photochemical electrical cell.